Okay, so the bottom half of the box is ready. Came out really nice, very smooth. Let me see if I can pull this. Made it for my memory cards, to store my memory cards. And we have the top ready. So this is basically a slider on the top. We'll show in a minute here. But yeah, came out really nice. Okay, so this time I made a very small customizable box. Wanted this for my memory cards and pen drives lying around. Yeah, and it just slides in. You can make it in different sizes and shapes. But yeah, this one came out really nice. You see the gaps. Had to do very little sanding for this one. But yeah, something useful I thought I should make. Let me know your thoughts, how you like it. Thanks.